Possibly, sir.
Let me see the badge.
No, no.
Okay. Excuse up my way. Excuse me. I haven't done nothing. You don't know me. Why are you blocking my way? For what? Am I being detained?
Sir.
Am I being detained?
At the moment.
Am I being detained?
So you're not letting
Am I being detained? I have to. I know my rights. Am I being detained?
Would you like to listen?
Am I being detained? You're blocking my way. Am I being detained?
Would you like to say how
Am I being detained? Answer your. I'm answering your question. Am I being detained?
Sir, you've got two ways of doing this.
Yes or no?
Am I being detained?
Right. So if you leave, I'll arrest you.
Excuse me then. Arrest me. Because I haven't done nothing wrong. Arrest me then. Arrest me.
Someone said. Yeah,
Someone said what?
that there were some people who threatened him earlier. Yeah.
Yeah.
And they're outside their flat now.
Yeah.
Okay. So at the moment we're investigating.
So go call that person and tell him to come and see if it's us, innit? Why don't you do that? The person's there, she's in his house, let me come to his door, innit?
Wait there.
Well, excuse me, if I'm not being detained, let me go, I'm recording you, because you're holding me against my will. Call him, tell him to come out and see if it's me. Tell him to come out. Just tell him to come out. Look at this guy, holding me against my will, meant to be a professional police officer, and he's blocking a young male from going out the way. This is going on YouTube. There's no, what crime? I had you on recording from you came in the block. I came out my house, walked downstairs, and you're blocking me. Does that make sense?
Well, we came in, people started walking out.
Whose people? Didn't they walk out? Why didn't you block them? Why didn't you stop them that walked out? I didn't walk out. If I wanted to walk out, I would have walked out. Why didn't you stop them? This is racist. This is racism going on.
It's not racist.
Yes, it is. Why are you blocking me from going out where I'm going?
I told you why.
So let me go say hello to the guy then.
No, you can't, sir.
Call him. He's saying that he's been threatened. Call him.
Well, you're not going to go and say hello to someone who...
So let him say if it's me. If he could actually come and ID me and say I threatened him, then I'll say who to who.
This man's a lunatic. He's off his nut.
Who is that?
Yeah. Sir.
Who is that? Call him here. Excuse me, officer. Let him see if I threatened him. Call him. What's going on?
You can't take his word, mate. He's a schizophrenic.
Because this is going on. You're blocking me. You're holding me against my will. So what? I'm asking you one more time. Am I being detained?
I need to speak.
Am I being detained?
Jamal, can I go with you?
Am I being detained? Who's Jamal?
You.
I'm not Jamal.
Listen to me.
Who's Jamal?
I'll explain to you what's happening.
I'm not Jamal.
Can I explain to you?
For what? You don't need to. I'm not being detained for nothing. So what? Am I being detained?
No.
Cool. Excuse? Move up my way. About Jamal.